Okay, to install the software, first we need to use any browser, internet browser. In here I use Microsoft browser. Then I go to this website, akujss.com, akujss.com/English, and then I download number 3 in here, download, and then after click this CSS software, then I wait for download to complete. Wait for the download to complete. Okay, now my software download is completed in here. Now I just open the folder. Open the folder. Now you see that this is a zip file. Then I right click, I unzip to its folder. Now we have unzip, come out with this folder. Then this is the installation file. This is the installation file. Then we just double click this installation file. The installation will begin. So I double click. So you can see that the extraction is happening now. The installation is happening behind this particular file explorer. So I come to here and wait for this installation process to come to a certain stage. Okay, after certain time of the process, when the process reach to this stage, in here we need to choose the language to be used in this system. So in here I choose English. Then it will reach to this stage. Then we need to fill in our company profile, and then we continue. Okay, now I start filling my company profile. My company profile already prepared in here. This is my company name, and then this will be my telephone number of my company, and then the street of my company is this, and then my town is this, Bukit Merah, and then my city or country is this, Singapore, and then my zip code is this. Next is the fax number. Next is fax number. Sometimes some companies still using fax, some don't. So we can fill in fax number or handphone number. Or handphone number we can put like this here. Okay. And then the email. My company email is this. And my website, you want to fill in, you can fill in. You don't fill in, it's fine. So the boss will be the company person in charge. In here I just fill in boss, and then if you have tax number you want to fill in, you can not fill in, you don't have to fill in this number. Then you choose the currency to be used, and then in here I'm using Sing dollar, and then continue. Wait for the process to continue. It will process for about 2 to 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes after this, until the process totally complete. Now we've been waiting for the process to complete, so just keep waiting until the process is complete. Look like this. He will shut down by himself. Then when he shut down by himself, installation process is totally complete. When they come to this stage, installation process is totally complete. And next we need to look for the main program in the file explorer. Okay, now we need to look for the main program in the file explorer. In here, this is the installation file. We don't need anymore, so we can just delete it. Delete the installation file, and I look for the main program in the file. In here, I go for the Mahati C program, and then look for the folder. In here, I refresh. There's the folder, CSS205xx2. Double click, enter to the folder, then I look for the main program of the file. This is the main program. This one is the main program of CSS, this file. So we just double click this file and it will start running. But first I will send to the taskbar. I right click, I pin to the taskbar right here. Pin to the taskbar. And it shows show up here below. Then I just click this taskbar program, and the program will start running. This is your program, yeah, where you can start using login and do the other application function.